I was gonna do the Carol Baskin intro, you know, but I feel like that's been overused. Just gonna do a nice simple face using the OG palette, the palette of the century basically, honestly, because we all know. Alright, we're gonna start off with some primer water. This is actually from Makeup Revolution, but it's in a Mario Badescu bottle, and I'm going in with my Boscia charcoal primer. Gonna put it all over the face, mainly concentrated like on my nose and on my forehead because I got a greasy forehead. I'm going into the e.l.f. putty primer, putting that around my nose because that's where my pores are. I don't know why I'm mixing the Mario Badescu, but you know, always gotta hydrate as well. So I'm applying that, and then this foundation that I'm wearing is the Perricone foundation. It is very, very lightweight, and it has an SPF of 30. And I'm going in again with the green Mario Badescu. I like my skin to be very moisturized, and I'm going in again with what is this, concealer. If you can hear the birds outside, it's because I'm outside during this quarantine. Just gonna listen. I'm all jumpy because there's bees and whatnot. Put on your powder. That's right, we're putting on powder. Put on some powder all over. Yo, that Bad Bunny album, got your girl going. We're going to exfoliate those lips. Luminoso by Milani. I recently started doing that nose thing, and by recent I mean that's the first time. So we're going in with our Fenty eyebrow pencil. We are going to just define them. Has anyone actually noticed that this eyebrow pencil has like an actual brush at the end? Anyway, I went in with the Milani eyebrow kit. Again, I went really light with my eyebrows. Then I'm going in with MAC's Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. Gonna go in with just a cream shadow color. It's not a cream shadow, it's a shadow color. And then I mixed those two colors. I think it was Naked and Buck for my crease. And then I'm going in with Virgin. But y'all see that? Y'all can't have any harshness, so go back in and blend, girl. I mean, blending is so essential. And then we're gonna go in with the gold color, which is Half Baked. I think Half Baked is the most beautiful gold. Then I'm gonna go in with What's Up from Benefit. Is it Benefit? I hope it's Benefit. And then Lunch Money from ColourPop to make that inner corner pop, girl. And then here it is. The hardest moment is the eyeshadow eyeliner, because the eyeshadow eyeliner, it's like, just brace yourself. Anyway, lock it all in before you put on your mascara. And here we go, girl. Drink something. Hydrate. Make sure you don't pinch no skin, because you know that hurts like a mug. I'm going in with the Falsies from Maybelline, and then gonna finish right there with that red lipstick. Hey guys, so this is the finished look. This is something that everyone can try. It is very beginner friendly, and if you notice, I used 2 brushes and a finger on like my eyelids. So I did powder eyeliner or eyeshadow eyeliner again, super easy. Well, I like it better than regular eyeliner at this point, to be honest. On my lips, I just use Wet n Wild. It is a high shine lipstick. I really thought that these were lip glosses, I'm not gonna lie, but it's a lipstick. It is 968A Bad Girls Club, and I'm just gonna keep it with me because, you know, when you eat and when, you know, your hair gets in it. Anyway, I hope you all like it.